Hello, my name is Laura. I am from Bogota and live in Saoya. Living in a city will usually be big than living in a town or rural area. I am city, there will be my people and more place to visit like shops and restaurants. However, the air in the city is often going to be bad than in the countryside. I think living in a town will be better than living a city, but it is also going to be smart. For me, living in a rural area will be grateful because there will be more nature of fewer cars and definitely pretty to live in a town.